Hello, weather fans. CherkyB here from CherkyB Weather, not your best source of blog weather observations. And as you can see, it's the middle of March, March 19th. It is starting to snow. We are actually supposed to have a blizzard today, what I call the blizzard of death, because of course it will blow the Wu-Tang virus all around. If anybody sneezes like 30 miles that way, it's going to come. 50-mile-an-hour winds we're supposed to have, and rain, snow. It's going to turn to snow. It's just beginning to turn to snow. It's been raining for about 12 hours. It's not accumulating yet because it's not that cold. What? The wind is cold though. Good thing I have this scruffy little tree here to shelter me. Plus, I am a professional weather observer. Except for the professional part. Thus far, nobody's ever paid me to observe the weather. I can stand way back here. Working from home, of course, you know, everybody's all shut down because of the Wu-Tang virus. And I got my home office set up. It's pretty nice. But I share the keyboard and the mouse between my home office and my rendering PC. So I don't know when I can render this. I'll have to stop work, flip my monitor and my mouse over to the other one, start the render, and then flip back again. It'll be very complicated, but I'll be able to figure it out. Okay, signing off. I will check in later when it actually becomes a blizzard. We're only supposed to get 3 inches of snow right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that! My first paid weather observation. Oh, I'm too high. I'm too high. Apparently I'm too high because I set it up to be down there. Oh no, am I going to have to shoot the whole thing again? Now I'm a professional weather observer. Now we'll just tuck that in. Alright. We're supposed to get the worst winds of the blizzard are supposed to be here. 55-mile-an-hour winds here. The worst snow is supposed to be over there, slightly up in the foothills, you know, 15 or 20 miles that way. Uh-oh. The camera person was a tripod. And now the camera person is a camera person. I feel like you've aimed it over here. I feel like now I need to walk like here. And down. Down. Oh, my head's off. Alright, doesn't matter. We'll get 55-mile-an-hour winds with 3 inches of snow, according to the weather forecasters, of which, as you know, I am not one. I am just an observer, and I'm up too high. I'm going to change this. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. CherkyB from CherkyB Weather, not your best source of blog for the weather observations. We are not a forecasting site. Out.